Nice. Test her out.
It is not a day in Thailand without a Thai tea. We get one pretty much every single day. And let's try it. Let's see if this one lives up to the hype.
You wanna try it?
Yeah.
I think it's tea and milk and sugar and sweetened condensed milk. A lot of sweetened condensed milk.
And it is the best thing ever. If you're coming to Thailand, find a good place that has a Thai tea. Get one every day. We got a little bit of a late start this morning because we were feeling a little tired. We flew from Bangkok to Krabi, and then we took the ferry over from Krabi to here. So we slept in a little bit this morning. I think it's like noon.
Yes, noon.
Yeah, it's
12:30 actually.
It's like 12:30 right now, and we're going to eat breakfast slash lunch slash brunch, I guess. So yeah, we're walking. There's like one main road that runs through the whole island, and then there's just different like restaurants and coffee places, Thai tea places that you can stop at along the way. So we're walking. Most people here seem to have rented motorbikes, but we are trying to see how much we can do with just walking and not on a motorbike, because we don't love driving those. We don't really have much experience. So we're gonna walk around today and see if there's much that we're able to see, and then if not, maybe tomorrow we'll rent bicycles. But yeah, we're not really big fans of the motorbikes.
It is a really small island, so we might be able to walk a bit. I think we can maybe get by, but maybe we'll rent like a bicycle. Like a bicycle seems a little bit more our speed.
We've tried it twice. We did it last time we were in Thailand. We rented one on Koh Lanta. That was the first place that we had rented one, and it was okay. It was okay. Ben about launched me over the handlebars like 3 times, but other than that, it was all right.
We did okay. That's a little bit dramatic. Did not launch over the handlebars.
I said almost.
I had to stop a little quick so I could brakes.
And then
but we were fine. We never wrecked. Nothing ever happened. So we
no battle scars.
Yeah, we were totally fine. We just took it slow. There's everyone else flying around us. But
we were driving so slow that we might as well have walked. So yeah, so that was the first time, and then we rented them a second time in Laos, and we did a little bit better there. But the roads were like not paved, and it was all rocky and dirt, so that was a little bit.
Oh yeah, that was a little
bit harder. But Ben did okay. He got us there and back, and it was a long way. It was like an hour. So we'll see how much we can walk to here. But yeah, it's a tiny island. We were looking for somewhere that is less touristy, somewhere pretty remote. There's no 7-Eleven here. There's no ATM here. It's pretty remote, a lot less visited, which is what we were looking for. We were basically looking for somewhere to just disappear for a few days, lay on the beach, read some books, hang out, and so far this seems like it could be that. So let's spend the day and find out. We found a place to eat. We're at Rosa's Hongyang.
Yeah.
The views here are really nice. All the tables are outside.
I think it's a turtle mug. Or it's a pig, I don't know. I think it's a turtle though. Fresh watermelon shake is really good.
We ordered some fresh orange juice. It smells amazing. And Ben got the French toast.
Jam, sweet condensed milk. I've never had it before with the jam and the sweet condensed milk, but it's surprisingly good.
Alright, and I got the toast with potato and egg. We're heading over to the beach, and we haven't found the exact spot that we want to go yet, but so far it is looking pretty good over here. I'm not sure if this beach has a name. We kind of just walked over near where we were eating, but looks like a pretty nice spot. The tide is pretty far in right now. It's about 1 o'clock.
Yeah, the tide's up. I think if we walk down a little bit, we can
This
probably...
way.
The beach looks a little bit bigger, so we'll walk down there, sit down there.
Yeah, this is nice. We've been walking for about 5 minutes here, and we haven't really passed anyone. There's not really restaurants or hotels or anything. Looks like there's maybe one up there, but it's pretty quiet, pretty chill. So we'll see if we can find a nice spot to park ourselves for the day, get a tan, read some books, and just hang out.
Chill and relax.
We found ourselves a little shady spot. Not too bad. The water is so clear here. You can actually see those islands directly ahead. That is Koh Phi Phi over there. So it's pretty close. And then I think a little bit farther south, you can't see it, but that way is Koh Lanta. So this is right in between Krabi, Koh Phi Phi, and Koh Lanta.
This is paradise. That's what it's all about. I'm getting it. It's pretty toasty out here, so need a refreshing dip. Take a glass of off. Need a refreshing dip.
We've had our iced Thai tea for the day, and it's hot, so you need a cold beverage on you at all times. So now we are going for iced coffee for more caffeine.
Yeah.
Haven't had coffee today,
Get an iced
so
cappuccino.
we've been addicted to Cafe Amazon, so hopefully this will be just as good.
Can you do one with oat milk?
While we're waiting on our coffee, how are you enjoying the island life so far?
The island life is great. The island life is slow and chill and relaxed, and you don't really have to be anywhere at any certain time. That's actually really good. I get caffeinated up for tonight. That's good.
What? And you? Cheers.
It's refreshing.
I will be coming here to have this every single day. Gonna take our coffees and hopefully try and catch some of the sunset on the beach. And there's one person right there, and then this way there's no one. There's no one else out here. Wow, oh my gosh.
That's simple.
It looks like a painting. So nice, so nice. I can't believe there's no one here. Like, I knew I had read stuff that said people don't really visit here, but I still thought, like, over here at sunset that there would be some people, but there's just
it's weird, I guess
no one. And it's like, look at that.
Incredible view.
Beautiful. So our next, like, 100 videos might just be from Thai islands, because we already love Thailand from the 2 times that we've been here before, but I really don't know how we're going to make ourselves leave this time.
Is like paradise.
Oh, so nice. So nice. We're headed to go eat dinner. We're going to this place called Tingray. I don't know. We'll have to put the name of it because I can't remember. But we got here yesterday and we ate at this place last night, and it was so good. They had this curry that was probably one of the best things that I've ever eaten. So we're going back again tonight to eat there, and we'll probably both order the curry this time because it was that good. So I'm excited to go there. I already know that when we leave this island, I will miss eating that. I keep a list of food that we both put. It's called Foods We Dream About, and we put dishes and restaurants from places that we eat at that we constantly dream about and wish we could have again. And I already know that this will be going on the list. Cheers. Ben got the mango shake and I got the orange.
It's good and fresh and fruity. Perfect into a long, sunny day.
I love the orange shakes and juice. They're so refreshing, and I feel like I'm getting my vitamin C so I stay healthy and don't get sick. Not sure if that really works or not, but worth a try.
It's like kind of healthy. I guess it's healthy. I guess it's a good
There's probably a bunch of sugar in
serving
it.
of fruit and sugar, but we can pretend like it's healthy.
All right, the food is here. It smells amazing. And they even give you the rice in this little heart shape. It's so cute.
Cool taste.
What do you think?
It's really good. It's like almost like the green curry chicken, kind of same consistency, but it's not really as spicy. It's more like the creamy with the coconut.
I wish that you could smell it through the camera because it smells incredible. Let's see.
It's so good. Look at this whole thing so quick. Really good. I just ate a big potato. That's it.